Hello students, welcome to all. I'm Khan Moshin Nazar, going to teach you secretarial practice for the 12th standard. We have already made the videos, now we are going to cover the new topic today. In the previous video, what we have learned? We have learned about the meaning of the corporate finance. Your lesson first name is Introduction of the Corporate Finance, where we learn about the meaning first. Decision making of the corporate finance, importance of corporate finance, capital requirement of business, meaning of fixed capital, factor affecting of fixed capital. That was your previous topic. Now what we are going to learn today, what we are going to discuss. Meaning of the working capital. Second topic we will cover use of working capital in business, difference between working and the fixed capital. We have taken this paragraph from your textbooks. Your topic name is working capital. In the previous video we discussed about the capital requirement, where we said that the capital is divided into two parts, fixed capital amount and the working capital amount. Fixed capital amount related to your permanent capital, which is required to buying like building machinery plant, which can be used for the longer timing. But here we are discussing about the working capital requirement. Working capital requirement क्या होता है? We will see that. We will read the paragraph one by one and try to find the meaning of the working capital. Working capital is the capital which is used to carry out the day to day business activity. Working capital कैसी होती है? यूज होती है किसके लिए? डे टू डे बिजनेस एक्टिविटी के लिए. After estimating the fixed capital amount of the business, we said that capital requirement है हमें. We have decided about the fixed capital requirement. Now it is necessary. It is necessary to know. It is necessary to estimate the amount of capital that would be needed to ensure smooth functioning of the business firm. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें कैपिटल किसका देखना है? वर्किंग कैपिटल. हाउ मच वी नीड फॉर द डे टू डे एक्टिविटी. A business firm require funds. Business को funds की require होती है for what? To store, educate raw material in the stock. Store करने के लिए आपको क्या चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? Raw material की ज़रूरत है. Raw material कैसे खरीदोगे? Through the funding. How you will get your funding? Through the working capital. So you need to require the fund. You need require the funding for buying the raw material to store your raw material. A firm would need capital to maintain sufficient stock of the finished goods. As you know that in our country demands are fluctuating, so you have to maintain your finished goods. So to maintain your finished goods you need the funding. So which type of funding you need? You need the working capital requirement to maintain your finished goods, to maintain your final product in the company. In actual practice, goods are sold it out in cash or credit. If you will see that in our practical life, sometimes we bought the product with the cash, sometimes if we buy the product with the credit. So goods sold on the credit do not fetch cash immediately. अगर आपने कैश में बेचा है then it is well and good, you will get the instant amount. But if you are selling your product on the credit, that means you will not fetch the cash instantly. You will not fetch the cash immediately. Firm will have to arrange for funds till the amount is collected from the debtors. Till then you are not getting your amount. Maybe your amount maybe you will get in the future, but that much time how you will manage your business? So you need the funding to arrange the amount is collected from the debtor. जब तक कि आपको debtor से नहीं मिलता तब तक आपको क्या करना है? अरेंज करके रखना है. कैश इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड टू पे योर ओवरहेड्स. ओवरहेड्स होते हैं ऐसे एक्सपेंसेस जो आपको डे टू डे बिजनेस रन करने के लिए ज़रूरी होते हैं. So cash is also required. Cash is always required in the business. Since uncertainty is always a future of the business, आप ऑलरेडी जानते हो कि बिजनेस कैसी चीज़ है. बिजनेस इज डिपेंड ऑन दी अनसर्टेनिटी. एनीथिंग कैन बी हैपन इन द बिजनेस. देयर मे बी अ लॉस, देयर मे बी अ रिस्क. सो being an owner, you have to be ensure that you have to keep the sufficient balance for the working capital amount. Some excess cash also should be maintained to unexpected expenses. और कुछ ऐसा पैसा भी आपको रखना है जो आपको अनएक्सपेक्टेड एक्सपेंसेस आ सकते हैं. कभी आपकी मशीनरीज खराब हो सकती है. एनीथिंग कैन बी हैपन. सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ, वी हैव लर्न लाइक डे टू डे रिक्वायरमेंट बेस्ड होती है वर्किंग कैपिटल. So you need to be sure about the amount of the capital. Why we need this one? For smooth functioning of the business. Working capital is also required to store the raw material in the company. It also require to keep the stock of the finished goods. Reason is that we never sell our all the goods in the cash. Sometimes we sold it out in the credit also. So for the shortage of the cash, we need to maintain our working capital amount, right? Overview from the previous paragraph. We learn about, right, what working capital use for the day to day business activity, right? Amount of working capital use for the smooth functioning of the business. Working capital fund used to store the raw material. Firm have to arrange funds for all the process, not only for production, it require the funds for the promotion also. Cash required to pay the expenses. Through the highlight you can understand we are covering the topic one by one. Now this is the next slide. Working capital is also called as the circulating capital. As you can see that through the picture, working capital cycle is related to cash, debtors, sales, manufacturing and stock materials. There are some other things also. Each and everything is connected to each other. That means it is a circulating capital which is required in the business for the smooth functioning. Now this is a new picture we have taken from the textbooks, like working capital should maintain for the following purpose. Which type of purpose? For building up our inventories, raw material and stock. आपको वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है? टू बिल्डिंग अप योर इन्वेंट्रीज, टू कीप द अमाउंट फॉर द इन्वेंट्रीज फॉर द स्टॉक. फॉर फाइनेंसिंग रिसीवेबल, आपको फाइनेंस रिसीवेबल जितने भी आपके अमाउंट होते हैं जो आपको रिसीव होनी है उसकी फाइनेंसिंग के लिए. फॉर कवरिंग डे टू डे ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस, यू कैन कवर योर डे टू डे एक्सपेंसेस थ्रू द वर्किंग कैपिटल. इफ यू हैव सफिशिएंट बैलेंस देन यू कैन easily maintain your business. Now working capital is also include overheads, a different heading, but it is included in the working capital. We will read the paragraph so that we can understand easily. What is overheads? Overhead means indirect cost or expenses required to run a business. It is not necessary that all the expenses are related to production. No. Reason is that we promote our business. Sometimes we take the insurance, sometimes we have to pay the telephone bill where we contact with the customer. The overheads are the expenses which are required to run our business. It is not included in the production amount, but it is related to promotion of the business. You can read the things like including accounting fees. Overhead expense include what? Accounting fees, एडवर्टाइजमेंट जो आप बिजनेस के लिए करते हो, इंश्योरेंस फॉर लॉसेस जो आप लॉसेस कवर करने के लिए करते हो, इंटरेस्ट, लीगल फीस, रेंट, रिपेयर्स, टैक्सेस, टेलीफोन बिल, ट्रैवल एक्सपेंडिचर. आप सारी चीज़ें जितने भी एग्जाम्पल पढ़ेंगे, ऑल द एग्जाम्पल्स आर रिलेटेड टू दी स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस, रिक्वायर टू रन अ बिजनेस, नॉट फॉर द प्रोडक्शन. ठीक है, तो ओवरहेड्स आर नेसेसरी एंड इट इज इंक्लूडेड इन द वर्किंग कैपिटल. तो ये क्या है? वन ऑफ द एक्सपेंस, ओवरहेड्स, वन ऑफ द in expenditure which may be covered by the working capital. You can see the difference. I put the two picture in this slide. First is example of the fixed capital, another is example of the working capital. You can see the picture in a working, in the fixed capital we put the example with the computer, with the van, with the building. तो फिक्स कैपिटल हमको समझ में आ रहा है कि लॉन्ग टर्म पीरियड के लिए होती है, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए नहीं होती है. वर्किंग कैपिटल इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस. Now this is the difference. This picture is also from your textbooks. We will try to get the meaning from the fixed capital as well as from the working capital. We will go one by one to understand the meaning. पहला है आपका पॉइंट मीनिंग. फिक्स कैपिटल क्या है? रिफर टू एनी काइंड्स ऑफ फिजिकल एसेट्स. एसेट्स आपको मालूम है क्या होती है? तो जो भी आपकी फिजिकल एसेट्स है वो सब किस में आती है? कोई भी तरीके की आपकी फिजिकल एसेट्स जो आपकी फिक्स कैपिटल में आती है. व्हाट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल? वर्किंग कैपिटल रिफर टू द सम ऑफ द करंट एसेट्स. यहाँ पे आप फिक्स एसेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे आप करंट एसेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. तो फिक्स एसेट्स भी आपकी किस में आएगी? फिक्स कैपिटल में आएगी. और करंट एसेट्स आपकी किस में आएगी? वर्किंग कैपिटल में आएगी. नेचर. फिक्स कैपिटल का नेचर क्या होता है? इट स्टे इन द बिजनेस ऑलमोस्ट परमानेंटली. क्योंकि अगर आप एक बार बिल्डिंग, मशीनरी या फिर कुछ ऐसा खरीदते हैं लैंड, तो इट विल वर्क आउट फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड, फॉर द नॉट फॉर द शॉर्ट पीरियड. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि नेचर कैसा होता है? यहाँ परमानेंटली होता है. यहाँ पे कैसा होगा? नेचर keep changing. Why? Reason is that working capital used for the day to day requirement. So maybe a day to day requirement can be changed, so your requirement may be a change in the working capital. Purpose. What is purpose of fixed capital? It is invested in the fixed assets. Fixed assets में ज़्यादा invest होता है, इसमें fixed assets ही होता है almost, such as land, बिल्डिंग एंड इक्विपमेंट. बिकॉज ऑल दी एग्जाम्पल्स जो आपको बुक में दिए हैं, जो भी आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, लैंड, बिल्डिंग एंड एक्सपेंडिचर, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म इक्विपमेंट, लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स which can be utilized in the business for permanently. Working capital is invested in the short term assets such as cash, account receivable, inventory. Through the example you can understand these are the things which can be repeated. It keep चेंजिंग. तो यहाँ पे आपको चेंजेस होता रहेगा और ये शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड के लिए होता है. तो पर्पस यहाँ पे क्या है? लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए है और यहाँ पे शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए. सोर्सेज. फिक्स कैपिटल फंडिंग कैन come from selling. How you will collect? What are the sources you can collect your fixed capital? So you can collect your fixed capital after selling the share, debenture, bond, long term loan. So how you will collect your working capital? Your working capital can be funding with short-term loans, deposits, trade credit, and etc. What is the objective of the investor? Investor invests money in fixed capital hoping to make profit future. That means fixed capital में आपको instantly आपको profit नहीं मिलता. You have to wait. You have to be ensure that for the after the longer period you will get the more profit. एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? इन्वेस्टर इन्वेस्ट मनी इन वर्किंग कैपिटल फॉर गेटिंग द इमीडिएट रिटर्न. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग, after selling the goods, after selling the service, you can get your amount instantly. But if you invest the amount in the fixed capital, then you need to wait for the longer period. रिस्क. इसमें कैसा रिस्क रहेगा? हायर रिस्क रहेगा. फिक्स कैपिटल आर हायर रिस्की एज कंपेयर टू द वर्किंग कैपिटल. Reason is that you have to invest more amount in fixed capital. Working capital is also require the funding, but it get the return immediately. So I hope so you people can understand the meaning of the fixed capital and the working capital. Through the wording I think so you people can understand. Fixed matlab permanent, working matlab for circulating. For each and every requirement you require, whenever you require the short term funding, you have to go with the working capital. And whenever you think that you have to start up your business, you need some permanent assets, you have to fix the, you can invest your amount in the fixed capital. So there are some examples. I just made a table, like what are the items come into the fixed capital and what are the things come into the working capital. Land, building, machinery, equipment, plant, computer, patent, ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है, लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम, लॉन्गर पीरियड के लिए यूज होती हैं. एंड दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द फिक्स एसेट्स एज वेल एज द फिक्स कैपिटल ऑफ द आइटम. Working capital like cash and trade credit, debtors, banks, receivable, payables, deposit, maybe another thing. There are so many things. So मैंने अभी कुछ examples दिए हैं, so you people can understand the difference between the working capital item and the fixed capital item. So before closing the lesson, I am just giving you the reminder. In this lesson, we learn about the financing, we learn about the capital requirement, then we discuss about the fixed capital, and today's video we have discussed about the working capital. So I hope so you people can understand the difference between the fixed capital and the working capital. Thank you for watching the video. Remaining content we will continue in the next video.